From Suzuki, I'm proud to present for sale this Vitara 1.6 SZT. This car has got low mileage and is in excellent condition both inside and out. As you can see, the alloy wheels are in superb condition. Moving on to the interior, as you can see, the upholstery is in superb condition. The SZT comes with sat-nav, digital radio, smartphone projection and climate control, along with Bluetooth and cruise control. Into the rear, good leg room and good storage for rear passengers. The SZT also has a reversing camera. Any car sold by Suzuki would come with a 12-month MOT and a service before leaving.